Hey guys, Lyle at C&S Corvettes. Quick update on how we survived the Hurricane Ian disaster. Thankfully, the shop didn't suffer much damage. The warehouse, same. Bunch of branches down. I had a full day of chainsawing and whatnot around the shop to get the big limbs, cleared and all that. The bigger issue is that several of our employees, including Steve, suffered serious damage to their homes. I will not be seeing them for a while probably. My core crew, for packing and shipping is going to be here, and Blake, my tech, is going to be here. But it's going to be a slow reopen, guys. If you placed orders last week and still haven't seen or heard anything, it's basically because today's the first day that we've been back in the shop, that we have internet and phone. We had power as of Friday, but without phone and internet, there wasn't much I could do. So I'm here today. We're back to work for a normal business week. I will be returning all phone calls and emails as I can, and I will be shipping things out starting today as quickly as possible. I will do my very best to do this in an expedient and professional manner. Infrastructure here, like Postal Service, FedEx, they are running. I don't know how fast or efficiently they're running, but I will provide tracking information on all shipments. And it's been a long week, guys, honestly. We're very, very grateful that we survived as well as we did. There's a whole lot of people, especially just to the south of us, who lost everything. And if you've been paying attention to the news, I highly recommend, if you have the means, to donate to American Red Cross or whomever you feel is going to be the most helpful to those people, because they have literally nothing. No power, no water, no roof over their head, nothing. So I appreciate your patience. We will get back to normal business. Hopefully by the end of this week, we will be somewhat back to normal. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will be in touch. I'll have more videos posted this week. Thank you for all of your kind thoughts. And I know a lot of you were thinking about us this week while we went through this, and I really do appreciate it. I'll talk to you soon.